Here's my Emerson Trojan ceiling fan. It is missing the bottom ball. It actually has the wrong oil cup on it. That's the one for this 2-speed model. That would have a T-handle switch. But somebody swapped them and I'm too lazy to swap them back. But this one would have had a metal brass nose that went down, and the other ones would have had a ball that mounts to here, which is why they're missing. But this one, the blades are different. I put the better blades on the Emerson Fern Leaf over there. And I guess I got an extra set. They're pretty rough, but enough rambling. Here it is on. There's the amperage. I put a little oil on them. I haven't taken them apart, so. There's a little off balance. Yeah, it's gonna go on for a while, but thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and that's the Emerson Trojan ceiling fan.